We live in a world full of media streams, social platforms and devices. Countless files in different formats can cause quite a few headaches. Emails don't support oversized files. Space is running out on the phone, and large videos take too long to upload. Meet Wondershare UniConverter 13 with new designs and packed with powerful features, the all-in-one video toolbox you ever need. Simply drop your files and find over thousands of formats and presets to cover anything you need for videos, audio, social platforms, devices, and images. Converting multiple files with the GPU accelerations at lightning speed. Just one click away. Simple slider control and ability to preview file size help you find the perfect settings to compress your videos. You can also trim clips and change orders. Crop them to different aspect ratios, adjust speed, add watermarks, and combine clips into one. The screen recording feature allows you to share gaming highlights with a webcam, host a presentation with on-screen paint tool, or schedule recording a live stream on exact date and time. When you finish, the smart trimmer intelligently analyzes audio and trims off silent pauses. Adding subtitles is now easy with the auto generator and saves your precious time. UniConverter provides a lot more. Turn this cute cat into a meme. Transfer your favorite music from CDs. Load up to 8K videos with a built-in player and conversion support. So now your phone's free of space, emails get sent, and you can share your moments instantly. Wondershare UniConverter, your complete video toolbox. Download and try it free now.